We're here in the home spa area of Storeworks, where we're going to show you how to build a display. Now, Kim, this display here is what you called the lifestyle display. So it's the end-use display. It shows buyers how they can incorporate the various elements of bathroom product and encourages them to buy multiple items within this category. Now, we have talked about before using an invisible grid. And this invisible grid in this display starts with the wall art here, giving us our horizontal line, and it's mirrored here by the shelving unit, which again gives us a horizontal line. But we also have a vertical element to the display.
Our verticals are depicted by the stacked tea lights here, the spa brushes, the orchid, the hanging crystal wood. So
the vertical is again flown throughout the whole display on this level. Another interesting thing, and your eye doesn't immediately pick it up, but it's done very specifically, and it's an art of visual merchandising, is repetition of shape. So here we've mirrored the shape, the square shape of the pictures of the wall art with the pillow.
Yes. And we've also included it in the kiddie bowls.
There's also obviously the repetition of circles in this display as well, whether it's in the tea light holders and candles. Another interesting element is the repetition in terms of threes. Elements of three. So take us through the...
you'll see the threes appear on the wall art, the bath scrubbers, the tea lights, the table votives.
Wonderful. So that, again, that's an important element, and when using repetition, it's important to use elements of 3 or 5 odd numbers, and that would, of course, just depend on the space that you have to use and the size of the product.
That's right, and we tend to kind of use that strategy with our display areas. Obviously, with mass merchandising, we might end up with a little more stock than that.
Right, of course. And again, this display here is our engaging display, but right beside it is the shoppability display. So everything should be done that way.
You'll see that we have used the groups of 3. We've got the nice cozy spa mats all rolled up in groups of 3 in pyramid formation. And we've also used, shown 3s in regards to a lot of the bottled elements.
So again, it's that element of repetition which flows you through the display.
Things are lined up in a very orderly fashion just to simplify the viewing for the customer.
Great. You've also added different textures into the display, which makes it very tactile. There's the texture of throws, mats, and also the texture of the kneading brushes.
Yes. And you can see also that we have a very tight color scheme. We've purchased for this whole story in terms of a nice limited color palette, not too many colors going on.
So just the hints of blue is what really gives it that nice punch of color.
That's right. It pops it right off the orange wall quite nicely.
Remember, when it comes to product displays and merchandising, successfully engaging the customer is the key to effective selling. A great visual display gets them excited and involved with the product, provides a context in which they can view and interact with it, and may even answer some of their questions about it. To stay on top of what's new in product trends and merchandising, be sure to visit Storeworks at the next CGTA gift show, so you too can start showing off in style.